2017 National Treasures. Baseball. Personal box break for Luke W. Second one. 1, 2, or 3, Luke. You want me to roll the dice? Oh, random.org? Sure. 6 times. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Box 1. Alrighty, Luke, let's do this. Good luck, sir. Colossal jersey out of 99 for the Mariners. Nelson Cruz. Nelson Cruz. Colossal jersey for the Mariners. Wait, we were talking earlier. There is no base on this. They're all jerseys and autos. When we were talking earlier, we were saying there was 1 or 2, but there isn't. Number to 99 for the Tigers. Jersey card. Miggy Cabrera. Miggy. Out of 99. Number 225. Arky Vaughn. Old school bat relic out of 25 for the Buccos. That's pretty cool. I don't know much about Arky Vaughn, even though he's from Pittsburgh. But it's numbered to 25 and it's from the 30s. Looks like the Buccos would have done well in this break. That is an on-card auto and a triple jersey out of 99 for the Pirates. Josh Bell. Josh Bell. I think he's going to be pretty good long term. Three jerseys and an auto, and it's out of 99. For the New York Mets, number to 99, jersey, auto, Tom Glavine. Tom Glavine, jersey auto, out of 99. One of one. On-card auto of Wil Myers, 1 of 1. Nice hit, dude. That's sweet. 1 of 1 right there. Pretty cool. Wil Myers. Not too shabby. Always be a buyer for that. $20 of 25 on-card auto and a jumbo jersey for the White Sox. Carson Fulmer. Carson Fulmer out of 25 on-card auto and jersey for the White Sox. Last but not least, Armory booklet out of 99 for the World Series Astros. Alex Bregman on the Armory. Should be cool patches, hopefully. 75 of 99. Bregman. Pretty cool. 6 patches on the Armory. Bat relic. A couple different colored jerseys. Sweatshirt, jacket, hat, it says. picture there. Alex Bregman. Thank you for the break once again, Luke. I appreciate it.